So for today's video, I'm doing another 3 looks 1 palette. I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette for today's video. So if you wanna know what 3 looks that I came up with this palette, keep on watching. Start from the eyes. Like always, I prime my eyes using NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone all over my eyelid to the brow bone. Next, for the eyeshadow, like it said on the title, I use Chocolate Bonbon by Too Faced. I have put this shade to my lid and brow bone to set the eyeshadow base. Then after that, I'm taking this shade to my crease as my transition color. After that, I'm taking this shade, I pull it to the outer corner, blending it to the crease to darkening up the outer corner and crease. Then after that, I'm taking this shade to all over my eyelid as a lid color. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm taking this shade to make wing liner like always. After that, I'm taking the Body Shop eye definer in the shade Black to my tight line to make my lashes look fuller. Next, for the lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curling my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I already put foundation, concealer and set it with the powder. I'm taking this color icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil by Wet n Wild to bronzing up my face and warm up my face. Next, for the blush, I use Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Fearless to the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next, for the highlighter, I use the Body Shop Puff on Radiance to highlight my face. I put it on the place that I want to highlight. Back to the eyes, I'm taking this shade to my lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this highlight shade to my inner corner as a highlight. Then after that, I'm taking the same eye definer by the Body Shop to my waterline. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Next, for the lips, I just use beige sandalwood like lipstick and just put it all over my lips, and that's it for the look number 1. Next, for the blush, I use Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Fearless to the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Back to the eyes, I'm taking this shade to my lower lash line. Shade to my lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking the same eye definer by the Body Shop to my waterline. By the Body Shop to my waterline. To my waterline. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Next, for the eyeliner, I skipped the wing liner, so I just use this eye definer to my tight line. Next, for the lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curling my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Moving on to the face, I use Wet n Wild bronzer to shape my face and bronzing up my face. for the blush, I use the Body Shop highlighting dope in the shade Blush to my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, then after that, I'm using the Body Shop Puff On Radiance to highlight my face. Body Shop Puff On. Okay, back to the eyes. I'm taking this shade to my lower lash line. Then after that, I'm taking this highlight shade to my inner corner as a highlight. Shade to my inner corner. Next, I use the same eye definer to my waterline. Use the same eye definer. Then after that, I just use mascara on my bottom lashes. Moving on to the lips, I use the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Nude to all over my lips. And that's it for the look number 2. Okay, start from the eyes. I already primed my eyes and set it with powder. Now I'm taking this shade from the same palette to my crease as my transition color. Then after that, I'm taking this dark shimmer brown shade to my lid as a lid color. Then after that, I'm taking this shade to the crease again to blending it all out. Next for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eye definer by the Body Shop in the shade Black to my tight line. Now for the lashes, first thing that I'm gonna do is curling my lashes. Then after that, I just put some mascara on my upper lashes. Okay, now moving on to the face, I'm taking matte bronzer to bronze and kind of shape my face. Okay, next for the blush, I'm using the same top blush in the shade Fearless to my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Next for the highlighter, I'm using the Body Shop Shimmer Waves in the shade Blush to highlight my face. Back to the eyes again, I'm using the same palette. I'm taking this shade to my lower lash line. Next for the eyeliner, I'm using the same eye definer to my waterline to define my eye. And after that, I just put some mascara on my lower lashes. Now back to the palette again, I'm taking this highlight shade to my inner corner as a highlight. Moving on to the lips, I'm just taking this purple lip balm to my lips, and this is for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe to me. I'll make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you in the next video.